Welcome to a captivating journey through the heart of nature. Today, we are soaring above the enchanting Beekeeper's Village, nestled in the lush green landscapes of Meghalaya, India. But before we ascend on this aerial adventure, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. Your support fuels our passion for bringing you more enthralling tales from the natural world. Let's dive into the mesmerizing world of Nongthymmai, a quaint hamlet hidden away in the East Khasi district of Meghalaya. Here, nature's bounty embraces the village, providing an exquisite wellspring of nectar and pollen for the bees. Beekeeping is an integral part of the socio-ecological tapestry of Meghalaya, carried forth across generations through traditional methods using log, grass, and bark hives. The villagers have seamlessly integrated with the environment, nurturing a remarkable bond with these exceptional pollinators. For them, beekeeping is not just a commercial activity. Bees are an extension of their family. Honey isn't just a sweet treasure, it's their go to remedy for coughs, cold, and minor injuries. It's a versatile medicine right in their households. Beekeepers scout for bee swarms in the bamboo jungles. When they find one, they will follow it until they find the place where the bees congregate around their queens. Casing, a traditional house for bees, cylindrical shaped, hollowed out from a tree trunk that blends seamlessly with the surroundings, are also commonly used. Where the queen bee is tied gently with a string so she can't escape. The swarms naturally follow her to the new home. Sustainable beekeeping isn't just a boon for the local community. It stands as a guardian of the forest's biodiversity.